Deploying a web app is simple. Make sure you are logged into your Google account on a desktop or laptop computer. Open a new tab in your browser. In the address bar, type script.google.com and press enter. This takes you to the Google Apps script projects in your account. Double-click the ResiBuddy project to open it. On the left-hand side of the window is a list of files. Click declarations.js. Then on the top right corner, click the Deploy button, then New Deployment. A new window will pop up. In the Select Type gear icon, select Web App. In the description field, provide a name for your web app. In the Execute As field, select Me. In the Who Has Access field, select anyone or anyone with Google account. Click the Deploy button. This will save your settings and provide a URL to the new web app. Copy the address, then return to declarations.js. On line 12 of the file, paste the URL. Hit the Save icon on the top menu, then exit the tab. With the web app deployed, you will be able to access functionalities of the application on any device and have a different user perform actions on your behalf.